Onion pakoda or onion fritters is the most favorite snack of the people around the world, especially Indians. So don't waste time and let's make it. I have chopped 2 big onions in this size. I will add Kashmiri red chili powder or red chili, a tablespoon of salt, garam. I am rubbing it and add it. Now green coriander leaves, a handful of coriander leaves, green chili according to your taste, a pinch of mint leaves, and now I will mash like this. After some time it becomes juicy and wet spices. So I will leave it for 10 minutes and it becomes more juicy after mixing with salt. Then I will add gram flour, approximately 1 cup. Gram flour or you can say besan. Now I will add this. I am adding masala, pickle, or if you don't have pickle masala, you can add lemon juice also, or you can add tamarind pulp also. A pinch. Now make batter. If required, you can add little bit of water, but after some time you can take like this. If don't require, don't add water because juice of onion and salt, it will make required paste batter. Now batter will be like this. Now heat oil in a kadhai or wok and take some water and wet your fingers. Add bit of batter, take into your hand like this and make pakoda. Oil should be low heated, should not be very much heated, and make pakoda like this. Dip one by one and let it cook for a while. After 2-3 minutes, it become crispy on one side and let it flip on another side to make crisp. Onion pakoda is very much delicious fritter and you will make in a 10 minutes only. And now flip another side and let it crisp for all around. Okay. In 4 to 5 minutes at the medium flame, fritters has become golden brown. Now it's perfectly cooked. See? So take out in the kitchen towel like this. Be very careful during frying because sometimes oil splashes. Now we will make green chutney. In a blender jar, add lots of coriander leaves or cilantro. Add mint leaves. Wash thoroughly and add into it. Add some green chili and a big size tomato. Chop it and add to it a spoonful of salt and blend it. See, the green chutney is prepared. Now take it in the bowl. Serve with fritters. It is incredibly delicious recipe and you can make it in your kitchen in a very simple manner. So see the crispiness, crisp outside and soft and delicious inside. So try it in your kitchen and write back to me. Please subscribe my channel for the new and wonderful recipes every day. Don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching.